Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. From the dawn of civilization, we've always had a fascination with wealth. We dream about bank accounts stuffed with cash, the luxury lifestyle, Italian sports cars, super yachts, tropical vacations and cruises, 5 and 6-star hotels, and more money than we know what to do with. And thousands of years later, we're still thinking about this. Wealth is always on our minds, and that's why wealth manifestation is so popular. Millions of people truly believe in wealth manifestation. Now, this is where you harness the power of thoughts, the beliefs, and actions to bring an abundance of wealth into your life. And this is big business, and similar to the laws of attraction, the power of the mind can make amazing things happen. Now, you can be skeptical about this if you want, but when you look at this a little deeper, you can understand the attraction. I mean, what we have here is a very healthy marketplace and a perfect opportunity for affiliate marketers to create some wealth for themselves without the need for manifestation. Anyway, let's jump into the computer and see how you can get your slice of this very lucrative pie. Okay guys, so here we are in the Clickbank Marketplace, and we can see a good product here. Wealth manifestation offer taking the market by storm. Good gravity score, 224, that's pretty high. And the average conversion is $42, so a good product to promote. And that just confirms that this is a strong niche. Wealth manifestation is a good marketplace to get into. Let's just look at the structure why you would do this now. So obviously you need basically three things. You need your product, you need your lead magnet, and you want your traffic source. So obviously your traffic source can come from any of these. You can use them all if you want. Well, for this tutorial we're just going to use TikTok, and we're just going to create a simple lead magnet using ChatGPT or AI, and it can produce this for you in probably about 10 seconds, maybe less. And this will lead us into the actual product. So we're going to create just a basic landing page for this on Aweber, and then just a bridge page, your opt-in page, a bridge page, and obviously when they submit the details, they go into an email list. So you can build your email list, and you can use emails swipes that are provided by this. So all's good. This is the correct way to do it. You get the traffic, you generate the traffic, you build your mailing list, and then you can promote this product and other similar products, if you like, when you're building your mailing list. So that's the way to do it. So that is the basic framework. So what we're going to do, we can just have a look at TikTok, for example, under wealth manifestation. We can see some of these massive amounts of traffic that they're getting. They're 4.7 million, very, very basic. Some of these 1.2 million, 6.4 million for this Jeff here, 1 million, half a million. So look a bit further down, 9.8 million, 1.2 million. So they're getting big business. It's a lot of money going into this marketplace. So there's proof in the pudding that wealth manifestation is big business and a good strong marketplace to get into. So what we're going to do is you can repurpose some of these viral videos from TikTok, and we can use a software to do this. Now maybe you're thinking, oh well, I don't like the idea of taking somebody else's video, but you can do. I'll leave this link on here. This is how to repost someone else's TikTok. So you got to download it, whatever video you like, the viral video, down onto your phone, and then you can upload it again to your manifestation, your wealth manifestation account. You can add call to action, click link in bio, and that's it. Now in the description of your video you can always link back to these accounts, so you're not just stealing them, because they'll get obviously more traffic from that as well. But I've not heard any complaints of anybody doing this. If somebody did want you to remove their video from your account, you can do. You just take it down. Doesn't really matter. But people are doing this. This is what they're doing to save so much time. You can make your own manifestation videos, of course. You can do it on Canva if that's what you wanted to do. If you're not, don't feel comfortable using somebody else's, but this is just repurposing content out there. This is what you do. So you download this, the watermark, everything is removed, and you upload it again onto your account. So the software, one of them, well, there's different softwares. One of them is Snaptic, and this Snaptic is being used by this person. So I'll send you this link, this step by step, how you can do this. Saves me doing it on the video. You can just read that. But I'll leave this link in the description, and as well the Snaptic downloader where you can download the videos onto your phone. So basically that is the traffic. We're going to generate traffic from TikTok. Obviously you can do this on Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and share it on Facebook Reels. Whichever way you want it to do it. You can use Pinterest if you like. It's entirely up to you. So what I did was I went into ChatGPT, the AI software, and I just typed in I need a 2,000 word report on the top 10 ways to manifest wealth, and within about probably 5 or 6 seconds there we go. So there's all the information for our lead magnet, and you just copy and paste that onto a Google Docs file, save it as don't forget to put your links in, very important. At the bottom of this one you see on the conclusion and additional resources, you can obviously add your link to this Clickbank product. That's what you can do. So it's entirely up to you how you want to do this. You can add your link within the content of this free lead magnet. But very important with lead magnets is it's just got to offer value. It's not a replacement for your core offer. That's so important. So it doesn't take anything away. It's just something of value that people would want for free, and they would gladly give you their name and email address just to get their hands on it. So a lead magnet, giving out something for free, will just give you the edge, rather than just putting a video up, click on the link, just give them something for free. Because on this product there is no free anything basically, so you have to create your own free lead magnet. So what I did was I went on to Canva and just typed in an ebook cover, and I just used this one because it's connected to the top 10 ways to manifest wealth. That's basically all I did. And then we can put that obviously in our opt-in page. So let's look at the landing pages. This is in Aweber. So you can create a new list. I've just used my old tarot reading list for now, but it doesn't really matter. You would create a new list for wealth manifestation, and then you can upload your campaigns, copy and paste the swipe files in for emails. So let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this one. So this will be your opt-in page. So there's our image that we created in Canva. Top 10 ways to manifest wealth. Just get a little bit of information. Sign up now. So we can put our details in there. There you go. Go and just click there. And there you go. This takes us to the bridge page. So what we got here is thank you for requesting the free guide. The top 10 ways to manifest wealth. Please check your email box in 10 minutes. This is so important. 10 minutes gives you time. People think, oh, I've got 10 minutes. Great. Don't check your inbox now. And also this is a double whammy really, because if people do give you a false address and think, oh my god, I've got to check my email, I'm not going to get the product. So you would put the link in the email that they receive and just upload the PDF file to your hosting account, or you can obviously use free places where you can store files, and they can just give them the link in the email so they can download this free PDF file. But it just gives you 10 minutes. So you say, in the meantime, check out the best-selling DNA code, and this is where you add your affiliate link. Here is the main core offer, so you can click on this with your affiliate link, and it'll take you to the wealth DNA code, and off you go. This is basically a video which draws you in. You can obviously read it at the same time, and that's basically how you would make your commissions. A very, very simple process of how to promote something like this. You can use any of these for traffic. Obviously, we're using TikTok for this one by repurposing somebody else's wealth manifestation videos that have done really, really well. They've gone viral, so we can use those, upload them again to get the traffic. And in the video, call to action to your link in your bio, and the link in the bio will be your page here where you promote your free lead magnet. So this will bring them from here, TikTok, onto the opt-in page, and when they put the name and email in the box and click here for free guide, it'll take them to the bridge page where they can click on the link. But obviously this is being promoted inside your emails as well, like they'll get. I would suggest doing an email every day for the first 7 days, and then every 2 days after that you can go as far as you want. I normally do a month's worth, which is about probably 20 emails. So 1 email a day for the first week, 7 emails, and then for the next 21 days it's every other day. And that's basically how I would do that. So there you go, that is how you can promote wealth manifestation. No need to show your face on camera with TikTok, just by repurposing viral videos. These videos have already gone viral, so you should do really, really well, get a lot of traffic. Call to action into the bio, linking to your opt-in page for your free lead magnet, and onto the bridge page where they can click on the link to this wealth DNA code, your core offer. And you got obviously lots of more bites at the cherry in this. And if they don't buy after they complete the sequence, then you can offer them a different product with wealth manifestation. And there's plenty out there on different networks, not just Clickbank. So there you go. I hope you got something from this tutorial today, something to take away. Now, if you're interested in making $100 a day, $3,000 a month, promoting from actually affiliate sales, passive income, and advertising revenue, then I have just the actual program. It's the best program I've seen in 23 years, the best affiliate marketing training program where you can build real assets that can make you $3,000 a month. And here is that program. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.